Hello everyone, my name is Gauri and today I am going to do 3 garden DIYs. First is DIY hanging lamp, and for this I am using a balloon, some glue, fevicol, a brush and some tissue papers, some water, First I am mixing the fevicol in water. You should take the same ratio. Tear the tissue paper in some small size. Don't make it very small. Now start gluing the tissue paper on this balloon. Glue them properly. Make layers of the tissue papers so that it will make it hard. Don't leave any space. You have to fill each and every space and make layers as much as you can. It will make it very hard and sturdy. I am attaching some fake leaves to make it look more pretty. Now apply the tissue papers on top of it. Make some layers again. Leave it overnight for drying. So it looks like this after drying. Now I am just busting this balloon and I can actually lift it up like this, but some part of the tissue is still on it. Now just cut the extra part and give it the desired shape as you like it. I am making a hole in the center to attach a thread or rope. Now I am attaching some fake flowers and leaves to make it look more pretty. I'm using a tape for it. You can use it as a vase as well. I have attached some battery operated fairy lights. I bought them from Amazon. So this is how it is looking after hanging. Second DIY is a hand painted stone. I am using light blue color to paint the sky. White color for the clouds. I am using acrylic colors. Don't use water when you are painting on stones. Sap green color to paint the grass. You just have to dab the brush to make grass. Now use chrome yellow. Now time to paint some simple daisy flowers. Make some circles of chrome yellow color. Now take white color and start painting the daisies. It's done. They are some more hand painted stones of mine. For the third DIY, I am using a mitti ka glass, and I am making a very simple design as I love this terracotta texture. So I'm just making leaves with sap green color. I'm adding some soil and compost in it to make it a pothos propagation planter. So thank you everyone for watching this video, and we'll make some more new DIYs. तब तक के लिए bye bye, take care.